Hey guys, let's discuss new problem from Stack, which is called celebrity problem. So celebrity, he knows everybody, but sorry, he knows no one, but everybody knows him. Okay, so this is the celebrity problem, and you need to find that celebrity. So for example, the studio array is given to you 0, 1, 2. The index is 0, 1, 2. Okay, so now here if you see one, let's say 1 is a celebrity. Okay, so let's see that other people knows him or not. Okay, so 0, see if you see 0, 1, it means 0, 1. If you check what is that 1, so 1 means 0 knows 1. Okay, so it means okay, 0 knows 1 means 0 cannot be celebrity because celebrity knows no one. Okay, so okay, 1 here it is. Okay, now let's see for 2. Okay, so 2, 1, if I check, what is 2, 1? 2 is this, 1 is this, so this one again 1, it means 2 knows 1. Okay, so yes, 1 is a celebrity. Okay, so this is how we just need to know which one is a celebrity, and there cannot be two celebrities because see, I told you that X knows everybody. Okay, but nobody means X knows no one, but everybody knows X. Okay, and if there are two celebrity X and Y, so it means that if Y is a celebrity, X is a celebrity, it means X doesn't know Y doesn't know X. Then how come everybody knows X or everybody knows Y? Okay, because there would be always one person who doesn't know the celebrity, that is either X or Y. Okay, so that's why. Okay, now let's see how we will solve it. Okay, so we will solve it using two steps. Okay, first we will find the candidate, and second we will verify whether this is the correct candidate or not. So a very simple solution. Okay, how you will find the candidate? So initially, let's say you will say that okay, let me assume candidate is 0. Okay, you have 3% here, 0, 1 and 2. So you have assumed that candidate is 0. Now you will check this 0, okay, with other two candidates. Okay, 0, 1 and 0, 2. Okay, so you will run one for loop I equal to 1 to I is less than n. Okay, and you will see if m of candidate, okay, comma I, if it is equal to 1, what does it mean? See, I will be either 1 or 2. So I'm checking if my candidate, okay, candidate knows 1 or candidate knows 2 is 1, it means that candidate cannot be celebrity because he knows 1 and 2, right? But celebrity knows no one. So if it is there, okay, then it means that 0 cannot be my candidate. Then what I will do, I'll just assign candidate to I and I will check for I. Okay, further calculation I'll do for I. So let's say if I am assuming 0 is my candidate, okay, and I'll check candidate m 0, 1 and m 0, 2. Let me check for this. Okay, so first when I check for m 0, 1, so 0 is this, 1 is this, so this is 1 means 0 knows 1, so 0 cannot be my candidate. So this one, so I'll not go to this step right now. So candidate will be 1 now. Okay, now when I equal to 2, that time I'm checking m of 2, 2. Candidate is 1 now, so 1, 2. Okay, now I'm checking for 1, 2. Okay, this is 0, so it means 1 can be the candidate. Okay, in candidate variable I have 1 right now. Okay, now I will verify it. How I will verify? Again one for loop. Okay, from 0 to less than n, and I'm checking I. See, I is not equal to candidate because I cannot check 1 to 1, right? I'm not I just wanted to check 1 to 0 or 1 to 2, other two elements. So that's why I just have added this condition. So I'm checking if, see, if m comma, okay, my candidate is 1, comma I is equal to 1, or m of 1 comma I comma 1 is equal to 0, then I will return -1. Okay, so means I'm checking. See, I know that my candidate is 1. Okay, now I'm just verifying whether it is celebrity or not. So it means that if I check 1 comma I matlab other two elements, 0 and 2. So if anything, means 1 knows 0 or 1 knows 2. If anything 1, that means 1 is not my celebrity, right? So if it is equal to 1, now check the other way around. If m of I comma 1, so I comma 1 means I'm talking about 0 and 2. So 0 comma 1 and 2 comma 1. So 0 comma 1. Okay, it's supposed to be 1 only, right? Because 0 knows 1, correct, 1, right? So if 0 comma 1 or 2 comma 0 is 0, then also you will return -1. Otherwise it is your candidate, your celebrity, right? That's it. Thank you.